Well, it looks like we're back to our normal schedule where Alibaba and the rest of the Chinese stocks are red, even though the overall market is green. Again, we had another gap down. I know we had a massive green day on Friday, but this continues to gap down. It doesn't matter if we have one massive green day followed by weeks and weeks of red days. You can see on Friday it went to a high of 75.54, and now we are trading at 73.84. We do have ex dividend coming up, which means if you own shares before ex dividend date, which is Wednesday, December 20th, you will get $1 per share, which it isn't really that much considering the stock will go down by the dividend amount. While the dividend history of a given stock plays a general role in its popularity, the declaration and payment of dividends also have a specific and predictable effect on market prices. After the ex-dividend dates, the share price of a stock usually drops by the amounts of the dividends. So again, it might drop by $1 because that's how much Alibaba is paying per share. So just be aware of that, because I know a lot of people don't know that the stock price does go down by the amount of the dividend. And you can see here a lot of people bought calls again, and people bought calls on Friday. So those calls are actually down. So if you bought shares, calls on Friday, you are down. And you're down massively if you bought calls, weekly calls that expired this Friday. You can see 75 strike, 13,000 option traded. If the stock goes down after X dividend, these are going to expire worthless again. These actually didn't expire worthless last week if you bought the 70 to the 74 strike. But if you bought the 80 strike calls last week on Monday for Friday's expiration, they were worthless, unfortunately. You can see a lot of people bought the 80 strike calls. Again, these are only $11, but for Alibaba to go to 80 by Friday, they need a massive move. And there was a stimulus boost. Alibaba JD rise on China stimulus. The People's Bank of China offered commercial lenders $113 billion in one-year loans Friday, a record cash injection into the banking system through its one-year policy. We did get a boost in the stock price, but guess what? We're back to our normal schedule. And wow, this stock has been on a downtrend. You can see it hit a low of $70. If this stock doesn't continue to go up, again, we might just see $50 before we even see 80. Let me know your thoughts. Did you buy more shares of Alibaba today, or did you get rid of this junk and get rid of all the headache it comes with it? And thanks for watching.